Hello and welcome to Rising Rocket. My name is Beenal Patel. In this video, you will learn to make the words by blending letter sound one by one. Let's start with short A words. B, a, ba, k, a, ka. D, a, da. F, a, fa. G, a, ga. H, a, ha. J, a, ja. U, a, la. M, a, ma. N, a, na. P, a, pa. R, a, ra. S, a, sa. T, a, ta. V, a, va. V, a, va. Z, a, za. Well done. I guess you all have now learned how to pronounce the beginning sound when it is followed by short A. And now let's learn how to blend when more letters are added. Let's get started. S, a, sa, t, sat. S, a, sa, p, sap. S, a, sa, d, sad. S, a, sa, k, sack. B, a, ba, d, bad. B, a, ba, t, bat. B, a, ba, k, back. B, a, ba, g, bag. K, a, ka, b, cab. K, a, ka, p, cap. K, a, ka, t, cat. K, a, ka, t, cat, s, cats. K, a, ka, n, can, s, cans. D, a, da, d, dad. D, a, da, dam. F, a, fa, b, fab. F, a, fa, fan. F, a, fa, t, fat. G, a, ga, s, gas. G, a, ga, p, gap. H, a, ha, d, had. H, a, ha, ham. H, a, ha, t, hat. J, a, ja, jam. J, a, ja, k, jack. U, a, la, b, lab. U, a, la, p, lap. U, a, la, lamb, lamb. la, k, lack. Mad, mad. Man, man. Map, map. Mat, mat. Nap, nap. Nag, nag. Pad, pad. Pan, pan. Pat, pat. Pack, pack. Ram. Ran. Rat, rat. Tab, tab. Tag, tag. Tap, tap. Tax, tax. Tack, tack. Van. Wax, wax. Wag, wag. Yam, yam. Zap, zap. Now it's your turn to mute the sound and speak by yourself. I hope you all have enjoyed learning from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.